Hey everyone, Wing Teng, Vice President of Marketing at Xiaomi China and General Manager of the Redmi brand, started giving additional details about the much-awaited Redmi K70 Ultra after its formal introduction. In terms of all-around performance measures, Wing Teng claims that the Redmi K70 Ultra is the best Android smartphone available. An outstanding Antutu benchmark score of 2,382,780 points is shown in the promotional poster, highlighting the device's exceptional capabilities. Wing Teng further stressed that the phone's real gaming performance exceeds expectations, guaranteeing players an amazing experience. Redmi and MediaTek have worked closely together to optimize the chipset of the K70 Ultra. The deepest industry alliance, according to industry reports, has produced a stronger Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset. Although these claims seem encouraging, independent testing is necessary to confirm the actual performance capabilities of the gadget. Wing Teng also revealed that the Redmi K70 Ultra will have an inventive concave convex platform appearance and a new generation of 3D ice cooling technology. In comparison to its predecessor, the Redmi K60 Ultra, this appearance lowers the temperature of the SoC core by up to 3 degrees centigrade by positioning the convex surface closer to the processor. By placing the concave surface of the heatsink away from the screen, the cooling technology supposedly lowers the screen temperature and addresses the problem of screen warming under high workloads. With the help of its sophisticated cooling system and the Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, the phone can run 2 games at once and play games like Genshin Impact at 120 frames per second. The K70 Ultra is positioned as a strong competitor in the gaming performance market with these qualities. The K70 Ultra is fitted with a D1 independent graphics chip to improve performance and optimize resource utilization, in addition to its cooling and performance characteristics. With a 1.5K display and a refresh rate of 144 Hz, the device is powered by a 5500 mAh battery that can be charged to 120 W quickly. It has a glass rear cover and a metal central frame on the outside. The phone appears more svelte and contemporary, thanks to the somewhat updated appearance of the camera module. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, I will wait for them in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.